Hello friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to use the color swatch option in Easify just to create some visually appealing selections options, maybe like colors or designs or styles, especially onto your Shopify product page. So let's get started. Before going to the video, please make sure that you are subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. So for this, I'm using Easify Custom Product Options app. I have downloaded this from Shopify App Store. So go to your Shopify App Store and search for the Easify Custom Product Options. Then you can see the result like this. So on clicking this, you can see their installation page. This contains some overviews and some key points of this particular app, and also they provide some free plans. So I recommend you to explore first on their free plans. And if this find helpful, you can just upgrade to their paid plans. And there are some genuine reviews from different merchants also available here. You can just go through this. And if everything is set, you can just click on install button. And make sure that you are logged into your Shopify admin panel before that. And so once the installation is completed, you can see the app interface like this as Easify options from the app section. And this contains many sections like the templates, option sets, orders, sales boosters, settings, plans, and integrations. So head on to the option sets first. And if you have previously created any one or any option set, you can see that option set available in this list. And for you to create a new one, click on create option set and click on add option from the custom options and go to the color swatch. Click on color swatch. So the basic settings has to be filled here. So option name, let's leave it as color swatch itself. And let's go with the choose color, choose snowboard color as the option label. And if it is a required field or required option, you can mark it as tick. Otherwise, you can just leave it as untick. Since it is a required option, so the color has to be selected by the user. So I'm just making this as the required field. And you can just give the values here. Let's go with the black one as the first option, and you can select the color from the palette. And let's mark a red value to the next, and I'm selecting the red one. And next you can just have a yellow as the next option, and let's select the yellow. And again, I am also giving a fourth option as the, let's go with blue. Yeah. So I am selecting blue. So I have added 4 colors now. And you can also have some multiple select options. Like if you are clicking this, you can set some minimum and maximum conditions. So I'm not planning to give any minimum or maximum conditions. Like user has to select at least one. So I'm just untick this. And if you want to have some default settings or default selections, so you can just click this. So I'm planning to have a default selection on the black one. So I'm just marking this. And I'm making the column width as 100 because this looks much more prettier in my online store. So I'm just going with the 100 one. And this shape, I'm going with the round and the default one. And help text, let's go with the select your preferred color. And you can also make some info message like this. And products, I'm planning to have this option set to be present in all my Shopify product page. And if you want to give this for manually selected products, you can select the product like this. And if you want to show this option only for products with some conditions, you can just select the condition or make the condition from this list. And what happens then is the option will be available in the product page whenever this condition is met. And I'm just planning to have this for all the products, and yeah, say this. the setup is done. Let's test this up in our online store. So I'm just opening a product page. Then you can see the help text, the info message, everything is showing, and the default selection is on black, and selection as multiple selection is not coming. So the setup and everything is working. So that's how you can create a color swatch option in Easify very easily. So while you're waiting for, just try this out in your online store today. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.